As I stated earlier, construction and durability are the last two key factors to consider when making your fence purchase. These two issues are directly related to the aesthetic value, the potential level of stress, the maintenance involved, and the longevity of your fence. Remember, there's nothing more important to the life expectancy of your fence than the quality of the installation and the components used. Let's dig a little deeper. There are four major points to consider when shopping for your new wood fence. Dimensions. The dimensions of wood are critical to the life of the fence, and the thickness of the wood picket is a major factor in cracking and warping. Most of our competition sells a 5/8 inch picket against our 3/4 inch picket. The 3/4 inch picket is a far superior product from a longevity and aesthetic standpoint. Be sure you understand what materials are being quoted. Grade. The majority of the fence picket market is a number 2 grade product. Seegars takes this issue a step further by providing our customers full-cut number 2 pickets on 4 to 6 foot high fences having minimal or no bark on them. We can supply select pickets upon request to satisfy the most demanding customers. Treatment. Be sure you specify that the wood fence posts you are buying are specified for ground contact. This extra level of protection affords our wood fences a longevity superior to similar products that our competitors may be using. You should be able to check this by simply reading the tag stapled on the end of the 4x4 or 6x6 post being installed. Customization. Our wood fences are custom built to suit your yard and your unique specifications. Unlike other available wood fence options, a wood fence from Seegars will be built to suit you. For example, if your backyard is not level, we can provide several options to you and build a fence to your satisfaction versus installing prefabricated panels that leave installers and the customers no room for adjustment. One more prime example is if you have a 26-foot fence line. Our installers will equally space the line posts to accommodate this measurement, whereas with a prefabricated fence system, you would have 3 8-foot sections and 1 2-foot section. Some other good questions to ask fence contractors are the following. How many horizontal nailers are you planning on using? The nailer is the 2x4 that the pickets are nailed to. At Seegars, on a fence up to 5 foot tall, we use 2 horizontal nailers, and on fences from 6 foot to 10 foot tall, we use 3 horizontal nailers. What length post will you be using and how much will be in the ground? The typical post length that we use at Seegars Fence greatly depends on the type of fence being built. At Seegars Fence, we always have at least 2 to 3 feet of the post buried in the ground, fully encapsulated in concrete, depending on the height and style of the wood fence. The next type of fence we'll discuss is vinyl fence. Options. There are over 300 styles of vinyl fence to choose from. These options often make the decision-making process difficult for the customer. When selecting the style you desire, remember to ask about availability. Seegars maintains an excellent relationship with the manufacturer to ensure the quickest lead times, customization, and quality that is unmatched. Durability. Ask your contractor about durability. Seegars only carries a commercial grade with a lifetime warranty versus the products sold by the big box stores that have a much lighter weight construction and only a 20-year warranty. The quality of the vinyl fence that you purchase is going to play a major role in the durability. Low maintenance. A vinyl fence is a great low maintenance solution. There is no painting required. Just wash any mildew or other stains off once or twice a year to keep your fence looking like new. Seegars Private Label. The private label line offers custom styles that are unique to styles offered by our competition. Seegars stocks this product line to provide our customers the shortest lead times in the business. Be sure to ask our Seegars representative about this product line. Chain link is available in a wide range of gauges and coatings. Here are the most important topics to discuss when talking with your fence estimator about a new chain link fence. Gauge. Gauge is the diameter of the wire, and the higher the gauge number, the smaller the wire diameter. So when comparing chain link fences, make sure you are choosing the proper size for your fence application. The two most commonly used gauges of chain link wire are 9 gauge for commercial and 11.5 gauge for residential. Post length. Make sure on your residential fence that you will have at least 18 inches in the ground for your line post and 24 inches for your terminals, with a full measure of concrete to encapsulate the post. Bands. Seegars uses a tension band for every 12 inches of height at each terminal. This ensures the proper amount of tension to be applied to your terminal post as well as the fabric. Gates. The gate is the portion of the fence that you, the customer, will have the most contact with. Therefore, it is a very important part of your fence. We at Seegars Fence fabricate all of our residential gates to ensure the utmost quality. Our gates have welded frames and are made up of the same components as the rest of the fence. Our experience has proven that this method is the most durable in the industry. Aluminum ornamental fence has become one of our most popular product lines. Here are some key points to consider when deciding on an ornamental aluminum fence. Options. When making the decision on an ornamental aluminum fence, you need to decide which grade of fence is needed for your application. Will you need a residential grade or something heavier? Be sure to read the picket and rail dimensions when making this decision. There are also many styles to choose from. Choose the style that best suits your aesthetic and service needs. Low maintenance. One of the best features of aluminum fence is that it is very low maintenance. With a durable powder coat finish and the aluminum construction, this fence system is a great option for areas with high humidity and exposure to the coast. Availability. If your project is time sensitive, you need to inquire on the lead time for the materials. Some manufacturers may take up to 6 weeks for delivery. Seegars now has a stocking program which is made up of our most popular styles. This stocking program affords Seegars customers a material delivery time that is unmatched. There's a lot more information available on the exact specifications of the products we use, and the more you know, the more informed you will be. So we'd like to invite you to visit us at seegarsfence.com or call the branch nearest you to have any further questions answered. Thank you.